seen this yet? They spent months fixing up just the motor, and it's all for an auction charity event to support the local recovery center. Now, there is the motor. We spoke to the main man who's behind the restoration project here, and he says the process of a rebuild is much like what the lighthouse sets out to do with people right here in our community.
Just like the lighthouse, where it's a place of restoration. We probably have a couple hundred hours into restoring this, even though the outside might be chrome, the inside, most of it has been restored from scratch, from old, rusted, broken parts and brought back to life through a lot of work.
And a lot of work did go into that. Of course, you could see the finished product. He says the months-long process was truly worth it to create something just like that. Now, they're going to auction off that vehicle. Much of the proceeds will go right to benefit a good cause. And a new restaurant and coffee shop are now open at the Fort Wayne International Airport inside the